If you're wondering how to hire skilled workers, you're probably already feeling that pressure, right? Same thing that we're all going through. Maybe you've had a position open for months, or maybe you're getting applicants who are, you probably aren't qualified. Or maybe you're doing a lot of what other manufacturers are doing, which is posting jobs on Indeed, LinkedIn, and every other job board and that you can think of, and still wondering, why aren't people showing up? And I hear this all the time. And one of the things that people tell me is they aren't skilled workers out there. And I don't really think that's the problem. Are there fewer skilled workers than there were 20 years ago? Yeah, probably. People have more career options today than they used to. But here's the bigger issue. The skilled workers that you actually want probably already have jobs. They're not sitting at home refreshing Indeed every single morning. They're running CNC machines, or they're welding. They're working maintenance. They're operating heavy equipment. They're supervising production lines. I mean, they are out there doing the work. They are already employed. So if your entire hiring strategy depends on people actively searching for jobs, you're competing for a very small percentage of the workforce. And that's where I think that a lot of manufacturers get stuck. They believe that they have a recruiting problem. What they really have is an attraction problem. Let me explain what I mean by that, okay? Because years ago, when I was recruiting for a trucking company, I got tired of having the same conversation over and over again. And I'd spend time calling applicants a lot. I'd explain the job and I'd answer the same exact questions. And then 2 or 3 minutes into the conversation, if I was lucky, 2 to 3 minutes in, I'd realize that they weren't even qualified, or that the job wasn't what they were expected, or they weren't even interested at all. It was so frustrating. And not because I didn't enjoy recruiting. I did. Not that I wasn't feeling burnt out at the time, because it was frustrating because I knew I had to find a better way. So I started making videos. Nothing fancy, of course. Like, this is nothing fancy. I wasn't trying to become a YouTuber. I wasn't even trying to go viral. I was simply answering the questions that I was already getting asked every single day. So I was already answering these. What does the job actually look like? Or what does succeeding here look like? What's the schedule? What's the equipment look like? What should everyone expect during orientation? What does the first couple of days look like? And something pretty interesting happened, because people started finding the videos before they even talked to me. So they would find them out there in the wild. Some people watched them and they realized that the opportunity wasn't right for them. Honestly, that's a win, because they opted out before either of us invested time into the hiring process. Thank goodness, as a lifesaver for time. Other people, they'd watch the videos and then they'd come into a conversation already understanding what the opportunity was. These conversations were completely different. They were more productive, more focused, and the applicants, they were much better qualified. That's when I realized I was onto something here. Content wasn't replacing recruiting. Far from that, actually. It was making recruiting more effective. So now let's fast forward to today. Most manufacturers are still relying on the same hiring strategies that they've used for years. Post a job, wait, hope someone applies, and if they don't, well, spend more money. Sponsor the listing, try another job board, maybe hire another recruiter. But, you're seeping out money by this time. Very little changes if you make those adjustments. You're still waiting to find people, or you're still waiting people to find you. And instead, I want to think about hiring a little differently. What if your recruiting process started long before someone clicked apply? What if workers already knew that your company existed before they were ever looking for a job? What if they knew about it? What if they'd already seen, your facility, or heard from your employees? What if they watched your safety process, or learned about the culture, seen the equipment that they'd be working with, seen some of the individuals they'd be working with? They actually understood what a typical day actually looked like. Now think about what that would do. Instead of convincing someone to apply, you're helping them make an informed decision. That changes everything. One of the biggest mistakes that I see manufacturers make is assuming the job description is enough. It's not. A job description tells people what you need. It doesn't help them picture themselves working there. Video does. Employee stories do. Behind the scenes content does. FAQs, frequently asked questions, they do. A realistic day in the life of video truly does. Those things help people decide whether they're a good fit or they're not. And that's exactly what you want. I hear companies say it all the time. We need more applicants. Maybe, but I'd argue that you need better applicants. Who wants more when you just want better? Because if you're constantly sorting through people who are never a good fit to begin with, your recruiting team is going to burn out, and your hiring managers, they'll be frustrated, I guarantee you. Your turnover is instantly going to increase, and better applicants, they solve a lot of problems. So how do you attract better applicants? First, stop relying entirely on job boards. I'm not saying that you can't use them. I'm just saying don't let them be your only strategy. Then secondly, answer the questions that skilled workers are already asking. Think about every question that your recruiters answer over and over and over again. Turn those into videos. Turn them into articles. Turn them into content that lives online and then works for you around the clock. Think SEO, search engine optimization, for those of you who don't know what that means. But turn that content into something that is out there and searchable and constantly working for you. And third, show your company. People don't want a polished marketing commercial. That does nothing for them. They want authenticity. They want to see what the shop floor looks like or what the equipment is. Show your team. Show what success looks like. What can they expect? Just be more transparent than you are. The more trust you build, the better. And fourth, make it easy for people to know who they are applying to or what they're applying for before they do. That's where YouTube has been so powerful for me in my experience. People search, when they're curious on their time. Maybe they're not actively job hunting today, but they're wondering what's out there, or they're just researching that kind of content. Now, if your company shows up during that moment of curiosity, you've got an opportunity that most manufacturers, they completely miss. You're building awareness before there's an application. And finally, think long term. One of the biggest mindset shifts that I had to make was realizing recruiting isn't just about filling opening positions. It's about creating predictable pipelines for the future. So every video you publish, every employee story that you share, every question you answer, every behind the scenes look you provide, those are assets. They continue working long after you finish creating them. A job posting, it disappears into the void. A good YouTube video can generate applicants for years. I've seen it. And that's a very different way to think about recruiting. So if you're struggling to hire skilled workers, don't just ask yourself, how do I get more applicants? Ask yourself, why would a skilled worker choose my company over every other manufacturer in town? If you can answer that question consistently throughout your content, your recruiting process becomes so much easier. The companies that are winning today aren't always the ones paying the highest wages. They are the ones doing the best job of building trust before the application ever happens. That's the future of manufacturing recruiting. And it's a whole lot more effective than simply posting another job and hoping for the best. So if you'd like help building that kind of recruiting system, I put together a free resource. It's called the Manufacturing Attraction Blueprint. And inside, I walk you through the exact framework that I use to help manufacturers stop chasing workers and start attracting qualified applicants through video, through YouTube, and a strategic recruiting process. You'll also learn the kinds of videos to create, how to educate applicants before they speak to a recruiter, and how to build a recruiting system that works even when you're not actively hiring. You can download your free copy using the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. What's been your biggest challenge when you're trying to hire skilled workers? I'd love to hear what's working and what's not inside your organization.